Okay, this is a quick intro video. It's a refresher because you've done law of sines before. But for those of you who are still struggling to remember how to apply law of sines, this is basically what you deal with. You have a triangle that has three pieces of information, and usually it's some mixture of sides and angles, one of one and two of the other. And in this particular situation, the goal would be to find some of the missing sides. It actually truly doesn't matter which one we find for this one. A lot of times they'll specify one, but the end result is always the same. So in this situation, one cool thing is whenever you have two angles, like easy piece of information, take one of these, subtract those other two, and you'll immediately have the third angle. So I'm finding out that this one over here is 40 degrees, and that's already like one piece done easy. Then the next thing is, like, when we think about the law of sines, that's the one that states that the sine of an angle is going to, divided by the opposite side, is equal to the sine of any other angle in the triangle divided by that opposite side of that one. So, like, this is true, and this ties into that thing we did in class where you found a magic number that was true for every single one. Like, this divides out to the same number as that divides out to as the other ratio would as well. So the setup for this is really simple, and you can do it with the sines up top, or you can do it with the sides up top. Any of these are going to be true. So when I look at this, it doesn't even matter, but let's just pick, let's solve for this big side, big nasty side right there. So then, according to this sine law, x divided by the sine of 118 is going to be equal to, 24 is the only other side I have, so I'll put that there, divided by the sine of 40. And again, since this one's opposite 40 degrees, that's the one I pair up. Since this one's opposite of the x, that's the one I pair up there. And so then from here, it just becomes some basic algebra. X divided by, let me actually take that sign, 118. Make sure you're in degrees. Every error that I ever see from this comes from this, so you can check to see if you're in degrees right now by seeing if you get the same sign as I do. I got 0.8829. Is equal to 24 divided by the sine of 40. Sine of 40 is 0.6428. 4 decimals is pretty standard for this. I'm actually going to keep all the decimals when I use my calculator, but I just wanted to kind of give you the feel for 4 decimals is a pretty standard length to take this to. So if I take the answer of this, 24 divided by that, 24 divided by the answer. Okay, so this right side becomes 37.34. X divided by 0.8829. I need to get x by itself, so the really simple solution is multiply both sides by this denominator, 0.8829. 0.8829. I will find times side of 118. The missing side, 32.97. If I look back up here, this actually makes sense, 32.97, because the side across from the biggest angle was bigger than the other side that I was dealing with. If I were to go and solve for this other missing side, I'd expect it to be smaller than 24 because it's across from the smallest angle. All of these things are things you can do to check yourself, but this application is super duper easy, and I trust you to be able to do it well.